Many indigenous peoples ate elderberry species fruits. They were eaten fresh, cooked, or dried. They were cooked into sauces, jellies, and other dishes. They were gathered in large quantities, sun-dried, and stored for use year-round. Drying them whole on the umbel clusters and then winnowing off the stems when dried is actually a method used by the Coahuilla. You can use a similar technique for the flowers, where you gather whole clusters, put them in a paper bag, let them dry, and then shake the bag to release the flowers. That's a Kashaya method. An infusion of the flowers was drunk as a pleasant tea by the Dakota, Coahuilla, Omaha, Ponca, and the Pawnee. The fresh flower clusters can be simply dipped into hot water for this beverage. These are the indigenous American medicinal uses of elderberries I found in my research. As mentioned, an infusion or decoction of the flowers was used to break a fever. The Haudenosaunee used the fruits instead. An infusion or decoction of the flowers was also drunk for upset stomach, colds, flu, and tuberculosis. And the use of elderberry for colds and flu is common in modern herbal medicine. A decoction of the roots with the bark was drunk by the Cherokee for diarrhea and by the Coahuilla and Dakel for constipation, and used as a wash by the Kashaya for healing open sores and cuts. And as mentioned, the use of elderberry inner bark was used as a last resort medicine to quickly cause vomiting or laxative effects. The bark, stems, and leaves have high concentrations of cyanide, so this is very dangerous, thus its consideration as a last resort medicine. Dye and tubes, as mentioned, were the main material uses of the plant. Basketry materials were dyed a purplish black color by soaking the splints in an infusion or decoction of the fruits. For a yellow or orange color, though, the stems were used instead. The pith was removed from large stem sections to make containers, flutes, syringes, squirt guns, clapping sticks, whistles, pop guns, and blowguns.